Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x squared is equals to 15, to find the values of x. In the first step, we apply log to both sides of this equation, so it will be log of 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x squared is equals to log of 15. And in next step, it will be log of 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x squared is equals to log of 15. And we can write 15 as 3 times 5. So, in next step from log rules, if we have log of a times b, in here this is equals to log of a plus log of b. So, in here, we can write this log of 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x squared as log of 3 to the power of x plus log of 5 to the power of x squared is equals to log of 3 times 5. So, it will be log of 3 plus log of 5. And in next step, in here, we have log of 3 to the power of x. And from log rules, if we have log of a to the power of b, this is equals to b times log a. In here, we can take this power outside of log, so it will be b times log a. So, in here, it will be log of 3 to the power of x. So, we take this x outside of log, it will be x times log 3 plus, and here, x squared times log 5 is equals to log 3 plus log 5. And in next step, we take these two parts to this side, and it will be, in here we have x squared log 5 plus x log 3, x log 3, and minus log 3. This to this side will be negative log 3, and minus log 5 is equals to 0. And here, if you look at this equation carefully, this is in the form of quadratic equation, right? In here we have x squared, x, and constant, right? So, we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2a, and the discriminant formula is b squared minus 4ac. So in here, a is coefficient of x squared is log 5, b is coefficient of x is log 3, and c is constant is negative log 3 minus log 5. So c is negative log 3 minus log 5. So from here, the discriminant is equals to b squared. b squared is log 3 to power of 2 minus 4ac. 4 times a is log 5 times c. c is negative log 3 minus log 5. So, from here, this is equals to log 3 to power of 2 and minus, in here we have negative 4 times log 5 times negative log 3, it will be positive 4 times log 5 times log 3, right? Negative times negative, it will be positive. And here, negative 4 times log 5 times negative log 5, it will be positive 4 times log 5 to power of 2, right? So, in next step, it will be, in here we have log 3 to power of 2, and 4, we can write 4 as 2 times 2, right? So, in here, we can write this as 2 times log 3, and times 2 log 5, right? 2 log 5. And plus, in here we have 4 times log 5 to power of 2. And 4 is 2 to power of 2, right? So in here we can write this as 2 log 5 bracket to power of 2, right? 2 to power of 2 is 4, and log of 5 to power of 2 is this. So in here, if you look at this, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab and plus b square, right? Which is a is log 3 and b is 2 log 5. So in here this is equals to a plus b to power of 2, right? So from here the discriminant is equal to a plus b. A is log 3 plus b is 2 log 5 and to power of 2, right? So in next step, to find the values of x is equals to, from this quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2a. So in here, negative b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2a. So, and it will be negative b. From here, b is log 3, right? So it will be negative log 3 plus or minus square root of discriminant. And discriminant is log 3 plus 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5 to power of 2. And over 2a. A is log 5, so 2a it will be 2 log 5. So in here it will be x is equals to negative log 3 plus or minus. In here this 2 will cancel this square root and it will be plus or minus absolute value of log 3 plus 2 log 5, right? And over 2 log 5. In here log 3 is positive and 2 log 5 also is positive, so in here we can write this absolute and it will be x is equals to negative log 3 plus or minus log 3 plus 2 log 5 and over 2 log 5. And in here we have two value for x. x1 is negative log 3 plus log 3 and plus 2 log 5 over 2 log 5. And for x2, in here we have negative log 3 minus log 3, it will be negative log 3 and minus 2 log 5 over 2 log 5, right? So in here this is log 3, right? Negative log 3 plus log 3. Negative log 3 will cancel this log 3 and 2 log 5 over 2 log 5 is equals to 1. So this is our first answer. And in here, negative log 3 minus log 3, it will be negative 2 log 3 and minus 2 log 5 over 2 log 5. And in next step, we separate this fraction and it will be x squared is equals to negative 2 log 3 over 2 log 5 and minus 2 log 5 over 2 log 5. So in here, x2 is equals to negative 2 log 3. In here, this will cancel this 2 will cancel that, it will be negative log 3 over log 5, right? And 2 log 5 will cancel this and it will be negative 1. And from log rules, if we have log a over log b, we can write this as log a to base b. So, and here we have negative log 3 over log 5. So we can write x2 is negative log 3 to base 5 and minus 1. So this is our second answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.